everyone! Today, I'm super excited to color Pinkfong and Jeni. Before we get started, I've prepared 6 markers that I'll be using. First, yellow marker, red marker, vivid pink marker, orange marker, skin-colored marker, and finally, so pink marker. All right, friends, are you ready for a fun coloring adventure? Let's start coloring.
Your crayons, it's time to play. Pinkfong is here, hip hip hooray. We'll color him pink and maybe some blue. Let's make him bright, just me and you. Color, color Pinkfong today. Make him happy in every way. Red, green, yellow too. So many colors, what will we do? Stars, the sky so high, add a rainbow up in the sky. Pinkfong's world is so much fun. Color together, everyone. Color, color Pinkfong today. Make him happy in every way. Purple, orange, what a sight. Let's make Pinkfong super bright. With every color we can dream. Pinkfong's adventures are supreme. Add some glitter, make it glow. Our colorful world will grow and grow. Let's color Pinkfong, come join the crew. There's so much magic we can do. Grab your crayons, don't